Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the most talked about car rental companies in Latin America and beyond. America Car Rental. If you've ever searched for affordable rentals in Mexico, or if you've traveled to popular tourist destinations like Cancun, Playa del Carmen, or Tulum, chances are you've already come across this brand. But how good are they really? Are they worth your time and money in 2025? Well, that's exactly what we're going to unpack today. So let's get started. America Car Rental is a Mexican-based car rental company that's been around since 1999. Over the years, it has grown to become one of the most recognizable rental providers in tourist-heavy areas across Mexico, including Cancun, Cozumel, Playa del Carmen, Tulum, and even in major cities like Mexico City, Guadalajara, and Monterrey. What makes American Car Rental stand out is its focus on delivering all-inclusive pricing and transparent policies. If you've ever rented a car before you probably know how frustrating it can be to get quoted one price online, only to arrive at the counter and see the final bill doubled with insurance, taxes, and hidden fees. America Car Rental markets itself as an alternative to that, promising no hidden fees, unlimited mileage, and free insurance included in most of their packages. There's also pick-up and drop-off at the airports, included in the rates, state and federal taxes, and vehicle licensing costs. Their service is especially popular among international travelers flying to Mexico, since they have strong coverage at airports as well as hotel delivery options in tourist zones. Beyond Mexico, they have also operations in Costa Rica and the United States, giving them more reach for those who travel frequently in the region. Essentially, America Car Rental positions itself as a customer-friendly, budget-conscious choice for travelers who want convenience and clarity. And in 2025, with travel booming again, this makes them one of the most competitive names in the market. Now, let us talk about the main features. Wide coverage across Mexico and beyond. They operate in all major Mexican airports and tourist areas, plus they've expanded to Costa Rica and parts of the United States, making them reliable if you are moving between destinations. On the menu of the website, you can find different locations at different airports where they run their services. All-inclusive rates. The biggest selling point is that rates usually come with basic insurance, mileage, roadside assistance, taxes included, pick-off and drop-off at the airport, and all this helps eliminate those surprise costs that many travelers hate. Fleet variety. They have everything from economy cars for budget travelers to SUVs and vans for families and even premium vehicles for those who want a more comfortable ride. 24/7 customer support. You can reach them at any time, which is especially useful if you're driving in unfamiliar areas and you run into issues. Hotel and Airbnb delivery. In some tourist destinations like Cancun or Playa del Carmen, they can deliver your rental car right to your hotel or vacation rental, saving you a trip to the rental office. Additional perks: free baby seats, GPS rentals, and Wi-Fi hotspots are available on requests. And for families or digital nomads, that's a huge plus. Flexible booking and cancellation. Their website makes it pretty easy to book, and they allow for free cancellations in most cases. That is reassuring if your travel plans change. Now let us talk about the pricing. America Car Rental is very upfront about their pricing model. The daily rates can vary depending on the car type and the season, but you can get cars for rent as low as $12 US. Of course, there are the premium vehicles, luxury cars at $500 US or even more. What are the pros and cons of using America Car Rental? First, the pros. All-inclusive pricing with insurance and unlimited mileage. There are no hidden fees. That's the major pain points with global brands. Strong presence in tourist destinations, especially in Mexico. Affordable rates compared to international competitors. And there are strong extras like hotel delivery, airport pickup, Wi-Fi, and baby seats. And there's 24/7 customer support for peace of mind. How about the cons? The service quality can depend on the branch, but largely they offer good services. It is not as widely available worldwide like Hertz or Enterprise, which are giants in the car rental companies. And the strong point is really in Mexico. So is America Car Rental worth it in 2025? Well, the answer is yes, especially if you're traveling to Mexico or Central America. What sets them apart is their dedication to transparent, all-inclusive pricing. They've built their reputation on tackling one of the biggest frustrations that travelers face with rentals, which are surprise charges. They may not have the same global footprint as Enterprise or Avis, but where they do operate, they shine by being both affordable and reliable. If you're a traveler that values clarity, affordability, and convenience, America Car Rental is a fantastic option. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Hertz, Enterprise Rent-A-Car, and Mex Rent-A-Car. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.